Now, the National Treasury is introducing a series of reforms aimed at boosting national savings and encouraging investments in the capital markets. National Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi is also urging pension schemes to diversify their portfolios and explore new investment avenues beyond traditional assets.
While Kenya's savings culture has shown improvement, it remains relatively low at around 10% of GDP, lagging behind neighboring countries like Uganda and Tanzania. Pension schemes in Kenya have traditionally invested in low-risk assets such as government securities as well as equities. Now, the government is encouraging the pension schemes to shift away from traditional assets like land and embrace more value-added sustainable investment models.
So that is an area that is an assignment for me to look for ways of how to reform that sector going forward. So you must start thinking outside the box. Where will you invest the pension funds? Where will you invest it if the government bonds are not that attractive? You must start thinking of engaging in other areas, and that is why the reforms on capital markets is very important.
Mbadi is emphasizing the need to reform the capital market to foster a stronger savings culture. He highlighted infrastructure development as a promising investment avenue for pension funds.
You must start thinking of other methods of partnership with the government. There is the road leading to Mau Summit. That road can be economically viable. We have the SGR, which is stuck in Naivasha. That railway needs to proceed beyond Naivasha if it has to be more productive. It should go to Kisumu, go to Malava.
He says by channeling more pension savings into capital markets, Kenya could achieve substantial economic growth, improve individual retirement savings, and reduce dependency on government support in retirement.
We have solutions to our problems. We have just not sat down to think through and put our minds on how to actualize some of these things.
He says the Nairobi International Financial Center is key in making Kenya a more attractive destination for financial services and investment. Frederick Moki for Prime Edition.
The car part is good enough now? Yes.